Welcome to Techo International Airport, Cambodia's gateway to the world. Techo International Airport is Cambodia's newest and largest international gateway, designed to meet the demands of the nation's rapidly growing air traffic. As a state-of-the-art aviation facility, it not only enhances Cambodia's position as a key regional hub, but also sets new standards in efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. Strategically located in Kandal Province, just south of Phnom Penh, Techo International Airport is set to become the capital's primary airport, replacing Phnom Penh International Airport. Spanning a vast area, it is designed with modern infrastructure, world-class terminals, and advanced air traffic management systems to accommodate a significant increase in both passenger and cargo operations. With the capacity to serve millions of travelers annually, the airport plays a crucial role in strengthening Cambodia's connectivity to global destinations. It fosters international trade, attracts foreign investment, and boosts tourism, ultimately driving economic growth and development across the country. Beyond its role as a transportation hub, Techo International Airport embodies Cambodia's vision for the future. Built with cutting-edge aviation technology and eco-friendly design principles, it prioritizes sustainability and energy efficiency. Travelers can expect seamless transit experiences, enhanced security, and convenient access to a range of services. Additionally, improved road and rail links ensure smooth connectivity between the airport and key cities across the country. As Cambodia continues to modernize and expand its infrastructure, Techo International Airport stands as a symbol of progress, ambition, and global integration. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into Cambodia's development and infrastructure projects. Stay tuned for more updates.